Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Bhapa Doi, a Bengali steamed sweet yogurt recipe. And during this mango season, let's make mango Bhapa Doi. You need just 3 ingredients for this recipe, super easy to make. So first puree some mango, keep it aside. Now strain some yogurt using cloth. Keep some weight on top to remove excess water from the yogurt. After around half an hour, you'll get thick yogurt like this. Transfer that into a clean bowl. Add some condensed milk for the sweetness, some mango puree. Now mix everything really well. Once everything becomes creamy like this, transfer that into a cake tin. Level it and tap to get rid of all the air bubbles. Cover the tin using an aluminum foil. And you need to steam it for around 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, take it out and allow it to cool down. Then refrigerate it for 1 to 2 hours or overnight. And once it is set, just unmold it from the tin. Our beautiful creamy Bhapa Doi is ready. Look at the color, texture, it's just amazing. You can garnish it with more mangoes. You can serve it chilled. It's a perfect dessert recipe for this mango season. And this cold Bhapa Doi, it's just perfect for the summer. Look at the creamy texture. So do try it out. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more amazing recipes from our channel. Thank you.